Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Kia Telluride headlights. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe night driving, ensuring you can see clearly without blinding oncoming traffic. This simple adjustment can be done at home with just a few basic tools, significantly improving your visibility and driving experience. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Before you begin, park your Kia Telluride on a level surface, facing a wall or garage door. Measure exactly 25 feet from the front of your vehicle to the wall. It's also important to check that your tire pressure is correct. For this adjustment, you'll primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver and a tape measure to mark your reference points. Now open your hood to access the headlight assemblies. On each headlight unit, you'll find a vertical adjustment screw. This screw is typically located on the top of the assembly and is designed for vertical aiming. Turning this screw clockwise will raise the headlight beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. We'll focus on vertical adjustment. With your vehicle positioned, turn on your low beams. Mark the center of each headlight beam on the wall. Now, using your Phillips head screwdriver, adjust each headlight so the top of the brightest part of the beam is about 2 inches below your marked line. After adjusting, take your Telluride for a test drive on a dark road to ensure proper aim and visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.